In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make presentations in Figma. Figma, a powerful design tool, is well known for UI or UX, but it also offers excellent capabilities for creating dynamic and engaging presentations. Using Figma for presentations allows for high customization, collaborative editing, and seamless integration of design assets. Let's dive into the process. Our first step is to locate and click on the Slides option within Figma. When you open your Figma application or navigate to your dashboard, look for an option specifically labeled Slides or a similar entry that indicates presentation creation. This dedicated feature streamlines the presentation workflow, offering a structured environment tailored for building slide decks. Clicking this initiates the presentation creation process, guiding you toward a canvas optimized for slide-based content. It's a crucial starting point that sets the stage for building your entire presentation, ensuring you begin with the right tools for the job. Once you've successfully clicked Slides, your next action will be to choose a template. Figma provides a rich library of pre-designed templates to help you get started quickly and efficiently. These templates cover a wide range of styles and purposes, from corporate business presentations to creative pitches and academic lectures. Take some time to browse through the available options. Consider the overall theme and aesthetic that best suits your presentation's content and your audience. Starting with a template can save a significant amount of time, as it provides a foundational structure, pre-selected fonts, color palettes, and even some placeholder layouts. You're not locked into any template, of course. They are merely starting points that can be fully customized to your specific needs. Selecting a template that resonates with your vision will give you a strong foundation to build upon and ensure a cohesive look from the very beginning. Finally, with your chosen template in place, it's time to start editing. This is where your presentation truly comes to life. Begin by customizing the text on each slide, updating headlines, body copy, and any other textual elements to reflect your message. Simply select the text boxes and type in your content. Beyond text, you have full control over visual elements. You can replace placeholder images with your own high-quality graphics, adjust colors to match your brand guidelines, and modify shapes and icons to fit your presentation's theme. Figma's intuitive design tools allow you to easily drag and drop elements, resize them, and arrange them on the canvas. Don't forget to add new slides as needed, duplicate existing ones for consistency, and rearrange their order to create a logical flow. Experiment with Figma's robust features to ensure every slide effectively conveys your information and engages your audience. Meticulously refining each detail will result in a professional and impactful presentation. And that's how you create presentations in Figma. We've covered the essential steps from initiating the presentation feature, selecting a suitable template, and then diving into the detailed editing process. Figma empowers you to design visually stunning and interactive presentations with ease. We hope this guide helps you in your creative endeavors. Happy designing!